guys, welcome back to another video. And 7 or longer minutes ago, I posted part 2 of Speedrun is Fun and Hard. And I wanted to continue that. And this won't be really too long of a video, honestly. It just shows me beating the rest of the game. First try, baby! Oh, shoot. This level is hard. Very, very hard. I once spent almost 20 minutes on this level trying to beat it. No! I'm so sorry for that ear rape. Hold on, I'm gonna turn off my webcam for this scene, for this part. Okay, it's off. Just trying to beat this real quick. I'll turn it back on after I'm done. Crap, crap, crap. Oh my god. What is that? Never mind. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I'm turning it back on. Yeah, I know, never mind. Just gotta be very, very careful. No! I died! No! Dang! I died! No! Try again. I might have to pause the recording to beat this level. Oh no! This level is so hard. I'm just gonna pause so I can beat it. You guys can see that I've been on this level for 5 minutes. It's not that easy. Okay guys, I finally made it to level 30. It took so long. So let's get into this. No! Come on. I was on that level for 8 minutes. Level 29 is so hard. I one time beat it first try, but that was only one time. Okay, and then we got this long spiral to go to. Okay. Small jumps, I don't want to mess these up. Oh! Yes! Okay, guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give a like, smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Bye!